how to change country on Amazon app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change a country on the Amazon app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to change a country on the Amazon app, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Amazon application here. And then if you're lucky, what happens is that previously we used to go to this three lines option here and then just go to settings. If you find the country and language settings here, you can change the country from here. But recently that option has been moved, and it has been moved to this little profile icon here. As you can see it, come to this page, and at the top right hand side you can see the country flag and the language. So you want to make sure to simply select that. As you do that, you'll be able to simply select country and region, and now you can simply select any of the other country that you'd like to change to, and your country on Amazon will get successfully changed. This way you'll be able to change country on Amazon app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.